Hey guys, today I'm doing my unboxing video. So let's get started. So I'll just pick something out of the bag. Alright, this seems good. Bluey. Ooh yeah. Bluey. Oh, we need scissors, don't we? Yep. So hope you're having a great day today. Ooh, look, scissor. I know you like green. It's one of your favorite colors. Alright, so we could get Muffin, Chili, Bandit, Bingo, Bluey, and Mystery.
Mystery's Chattermax.
Bruh. Oh, sorry.
It looks like it.
Ooh,
I'm not sure.
we got Muffin.
Muffin! Oh, it's squishy.
Yeah. All right. Oh, yay! Another Bluey. You may be wondering, but AJ Games, is it, you know what you're picking. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Because once you see that I have other things like cubes, you kind of don't know. Oh, please don't be a double. Phew! It's not a double.
It's Bluey.
Stop saying things out loud. But yeah, it is Bluey.
Seagull, Muffin, and Bluey. They're cousins.
Yeah.
I hope you get Bingo because they're cousins.
No, I got them all. Alrighty. I'm glad we got
You don't need to do that. Wait, let me show you.
No.
You just need to rip it, like right there. See?
I know what I'm doing.
You don't need to do that. Okay, he's just using scissors.
I could just do that.
Okay. I'm really good at opening these. We got tons of these.
Stop saying things out loud. That is all I'm asking. Finally. What do we got? What do we got? Oh, it's yellow. That's
Yeah,
all I
because
need.
that's the color of Minions. So
I said stop saying things out. Oh, what's this? We don't have this.
yeah.
Of course we got this guy.
I hope we
By
don't.
the way,
I hope we don't get doubles.
yeah,
If
we can. But yeah, here's the.
Yeah, because one thing is mystery. One thing is really mystery.
We got these boxes, so I guess
They have to.
They're almost the exact same size, so I guess.
Dude,
Stop saying things out loud.
I'm not. Sorry, he's crazy.
What?
And I'm not kidding. That is a lot of stuff. So they're naked. They're naked.
The Mega Minions?
It looks like they are.
Don't say that on YouTube.
They look.
Okay, yeah, I know these.
What did you get? Green?
I is this a rare? Is this a... Oh my gosh, guys, I got a super rare.
Where is it?
Actually, you know what?
Ultra rare. Ultra mega?
I'm pretty sure.
No, it's that.
See it right there? We got some more of these.
It's a green.
I don't even care, I'm looking.
You can see the skeleton inside.
What?
Skeleton. Like, look behind. That is so cool.
Oh yeah, this was actually from the movie. Oh, I wish we could actually have some.
Let's go. Nice job.
Don't hit me.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. Don't squeeze my Bluey.
It's hard to squeeze, kind of.
Yeah, in one of the videos, I previously we went to Walmart
And we
and
did stuff that we got tons of.
I have this. Ah. No. Wait, there is a Gru minifigure. There's a Poppy, Baby Gru, Heist Minion, and Maxime. Yeah.
I really hope
Which one do we
get,
have?
Right
Right here. AVL
Yeah.
Minion.
AVL Minion.
And
This
where?
is a big bag that you just got a little squishy in. It's a big bag. Or bigger. I need to get more of the other stuff.
Still have more. We still have more.
Where's the blue?
This is gonna be like
There's
a
more blue.
like we've only been filming for 5 minutes
There's
already.
some good.
I mean, I can't film for like over 10 minutes, so I gotta.
Those
keep
are big
this.
bags for little
Really,
toys.
I know.
I really hope you get a Meta Minion.
Yeah. Maxime! Maxime, I mean, at least we got something.
He's a cockroach. Is that squishy?
And it's cockroach form. No, it's not really squishy.
Wait, let me try.
Maxime. Right here. There's proof.
He's kind of.
All right,
yeah,
now-
he's kind of.
Now,
rare.
now let's not say it,
He's
because
kinda rare.
in normal unboxing.
Yeah. We know we've done some before. I'm pretty.
Wait,
have we
we
done
have?
some? Have we?
No, we haven't.
Oh. What are you looking at?
Sorry, just drop this. I don't want to be dirty in our. What I meant by not being dirty is actually lying.
I know. Wait, we've already gotten a Mega Dazer, remember?
Not one of these.
A long time ago.
Oh, this
One of
feel-
these.
Yeah, one of these.
I
No,
got
it's
it.
not gonna be a Mega Minion. I know it. I have it.
He got
Just
it for.
get-
I think you got it for your birthday
Try and
party.
collect the entire series.
Yeah.
Now, guys, let's just do these.
And then after we can show the stuff that's not unboxed, that we can't
Don't
unbox.
spoil any more.
I wonder which one we're gonna get. I really hope we get some, like one, like a mid. Where? In your room?
Guys, don't listen to that. It's a surprise. Alright, I'm about to rage quit. If I don't. Please tell me this works. I'm not in a good mood.
They're not up there.
Yes, they are.
No, they're not. Where are they?
One of them's under my bed. The other is next to my bed, and then the other's in my bed.
Okay, I didn't see any in your bed. Wait, do you mean your Mega?
Yeah, Mega.
Fine.
You know what? I'm cutting this open. Yeah. Normally in unboxing videos, I'm nuts. Do this. And I got this all with my money. This all costed like what? $75. Actually, no, $60 only on. Only. I'm at my demon level right now. I'm not.
I could only find two.
The other one's in my bed.
No, they're not. No, they're not.
All right, put them in there. These type of bags I'm not a fan with. And anyway, we also got a fan.
Yeah.
Not like a real fan.
It was like $100. More.
Don't say that.
Wow.
Wait, is this a mega? Yes, I think it is. I think it's a mega. No, no, it's not. No, it's not.
It has hair, it's not a...
We don't have this.
Yes,
Yes.
we do.
No, we don't.
We have a mega. We have one of these.
Yeah, we have a mega one of these only.
Okay.
All right, and the last,
Is this, Jerry?
I think.
We don't have, Jerry.
I like rage quit on the last one.
Wait. Anderson, where would it be in your bed?
Just check all over my bed.
All over right here.
Guys, I'm gonna have to cut some of this out. Like, I'm not having 3 minutes wasted. Why didn't I try this before? Okay.
Wait, do you only have 4?
Yeah, I have 4.
Wait, 5 in total because you got that? Oh no, you don't have the laser. You're having a hard time. Can I help? I'm really good at opening doors.
Keep hitting myself with these scissors. But I'm fine.
Okay. There's still a lot of stuff. There's a lot of... This is a lot of trash.
Our parents are gonna be so angry.
Wait, I think we do have a laser. Yes, we do. Actually, no.
No!
That was just a different...
Duplicate! Duplicate!
No. Oh yeah, we already had that. Upstairs.
We have this one upstairs.
That is a rare. We need to show the other stuff we got. We got some from Target, some from Walmart.
Don't say it.
Wait, do we have any more?
Oh yeah, we have other 2 things.
You also have to show them, like,
Yeah, we got this Nub Nub blush.
like that we have this. And
We
you
should
have
tell
to
this
show them
one.
that we have this.
No, not that. We're gonna do that in my Halloween video coming up.
Okay. So you have to be dressed in
This
it.
is kind of just merch anyway.
And by the way, you have to be dressed in it.
Oh,
Sorry.
yeah, so we got this guy. I forgot to do a birthday special though.
His birthday was just on
This is September.
I know. September. Guys, can I tell them what it is?
I'm gonna start with my newest to oldest.
Newest.
Mega Jerry.
I hope you don't break it.
Then it goes to Tim, which is actually my favorite. I don't know why, but yeah, it's old. It's the second newest.
And then,
Then we have this Dave. It's like a balloon.
yeah, he is one. He's squishes.
Yeah.
He's squishy. And then the final one. Nope.
Actually, yeah, it's the final one.
It is.
Sorry, guys, I don't have the mail.
We have most of the series. Just one more, and then we have.
I just wish we had some Mega Minions of these. You know what, guys? We're gonna do a part 2 with
In
more
a
of these.
long time. Someday.
So,
Peace out.
and bye.
Peace out.